Hello and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In this tutorial video, I'm gonna teach you how you can download and install Apollo Wallet on your Android device. If you don't know what Apollo Wallet is, it is a wallet to store your cryptos and NFTs in a secure and manageable way. If you download this app, you will also be able to exchange your cryptocurrencies in a quick and secure way. To download the app, firstly head over to your Play Store. Then in the search bar, type in Apollo. As soon as you do that, you can see the Apollo Wallet app. Now in order to download it on your device, click on the install button. As soon as you do that, the app will start to download on your device. The download duration will depend upon the speed of your internet. It can take a few seconds and even up to a few minutes. As you see, the app has been downloaded in my device. Now you'll need to open it by simply tapping on the open button. Now from here you can create your account and you will be able to store and exchange crypto in a secure and easy way. So that's how you can download and install Apollo Wallet on your Android device. I hope you guys liked this video and found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are new and turn on the notifications because we upload similar videos like this every day. So be sure to get notifications whenever we post a video. That's it for this video and I'll see you in the next one.